Namaste students, I welcome to all of you to the RSV Group of Schools YouTube channel. In this video we shall discuss about algebraic expressions and identities. In previous class you have learnt about algebraic expressions and identities. Here in this video we shall discuss about more operations on algebraic expressions and identities like addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. So let's start. What are algebraic expressions and their identities? Here at first we have to discuss about fundamental concepts of algebraic expressions. What is fundamental concepts in algebraic expressions? Here in algebraic expression or identities we use two terms. One is constant and other is variable. The first one is our constants. Students, you have to just keep it in your mind. There are two types of constants. One is absolute constant and other is arbitrary constants. Now question has arisen here, what is absolute constants and what is arbitrary constants? Absolute constants are those constants which have fixed value, or you can say that which have definite value, like 2, 3, root 3, 1 by 5, minus 7, etc. Here there are two types of arbitrary constants. Generally arbitrary constants are like m, pi, e, lambda, k, etc. So students, you have to learn about constants are of two types. First, absolute constants, those constants which have fixed value like 2, 3, root 3, 1 over 5 and so on, minus 7, etc. Whereas arbitrary constants are those constants which we use in our suitability of an algebraic expressions. Now further we will move to the variables. I have already told you that there are two types of fundamentals used in algebraic expressions. One is constants and other is variables. Variables are also called literals. As you know, the name is variable. The variable means it has various values. The variable means the x, y, z can assign various values like x, y, z, a, b, so on, etc. are called variables because we can give various numeral values. Okay students, so there are two terms, one is constant and other is variable. Now question arises, what is an algebraic expression? Now question has arisen here, what is an algebraic expression? Then it is very simple definition is, an algebraic expressions are those quantities which are the collection of constants and various variables. In simple word you can say that the collection of constants and variables are called algebraic expression. Okay. Now what is an algebraic expressions? I have already told you that an algebraic expression is collection of constants and variables connected by various operations like plus, minus, multiply and divide. See the definition of algebraic expressions. collection of constants and variables connected by plus, minus, multiply or divide is called algebraic expressions. Now, some term we use in an algebraic expression. The first one is monomial. We use some terms in an algebraic expression. The first term is monomial. What is monomial? An expression having only one term. Very simple definition है. An expression having only one term is called monomial. An expression having only one term is called monomial and binomial. The example of monomial terms are like 2x minus 7x square y square root 2x etc. are called monomial. Now, what is binomial expression? In monomial, we have learnt mono means one, mono means one or bi means two. Therefore, the simple definition is an expression having only two terms, or you can say that an expression which contains only two terms. It's very simple definition है, which contains only two terms are called binomial. Example: 2x plus 3y minus 7x cube y plus 3x. These terms are called binomial terms. So what we have learnt? Mono means one. An expression having only one term is called monomial. These are the example of monomial terms. And what is binomial? Which contains only two terms, which contains two terms are called binomial terms. Okay. Now further we will discuss about trinomial. Now students, what is trinomial? An expression having three terms. An expression having three terms is called trinomial. Example: minus 2x plus 3x cube y plus 11 by 2, x plus y plus z etc. are called trinomial. And what is multinomial? What is multinomial? An expression having more than three terms. An expression having more than three terms is called multinomial, like 3x cube y plus 2x square y minus 3z plus 7 by 2, or half x square minus 3 by 2 y square plus 7xy minus 5. Similarly, these terms are called monomial. So, just for algebraic, what is an algebraic expression? Collection of constants and variables connected by positive, negative, multiply and divided sign. Okay students, we have two types of constants. One is absolute constant, other is arbitrary constants. What are absolute constants? Those constants which have fixed value are called absolute constants. And what is arbitrary constants? Pi, lambda, k are called etc. are called arbitrary constants. And what are variables? The variables are those which have numerous value, or you can say that various values. Okay, now we will discuss about the terms of an algebraic expression. Generally we use 4 terms. One is monomial. Mono means one. An expression having only one term is called monomial. What is binomial? An expression having 2 terms are called binomial. Terms are generally separated by plus or minus sign. Students, just keep it in your mind, terms are separated generally plus or minus sign. Now, what is trinomial? An expression having 3 terms. जैसे example minus 2x is separated by positive sign, 3x square y plus 11 by 2. Similarly, x, y and z are 3 variables but separated by the plus sign. These are the trinomial. Now, what is multinomial? An expression having more than 3 terms. An expression having more than 3 terms are called multinomial, like 3x square y plus 2x square y minus 3z plus 7 by 2. Here 3x cube y plus 2x square y is separated by positives plus, and minus 3z is separated by minus, and 7 by 2 is separated by, separation by positive. These terms are called multinomial. Okay students, thank you.